Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want a hands-free way to keep your pool surface clean all day without constant manual skimming, the AIPER EcoSurfer S2 is a smart solar-powered upgrade that feels almost a set it and forget it. Right away, the biggest highlight is its solar-powered 24/7 cleaning system. With Solar Seeker technology, it automatically uses sunlight to recharge during the day, helping it keep working with minimal manual intervention. It's designed to continuously skim leaves, dust, insects, and floating debris from the pool surface using a 150-micron filtration system, helping keep water cleaner before debris sinks. Control is another strong point. With app support, you can monitor, schedule, and control cleaning modes remotely, so you don't even need to be near the pool to manage it. The smart navigation system is built with obstacle avoidance and anti-stranding features, meaning it can adjust its path and avoid getting stuck on pool edges or corners. You also get dual charging modes, so when sunlight isn't enough, it can still be charged conventionally, ensuring more consistent performance across different weather conditions. Real-world impressions of this category highlight the convenience factor most. Users love that it reduces daily pool maintenance significantly, especially in outdoor pools with frequent debris. Overall, the AIPER EcoSurfer S2 is all about convenience, automation, and keeping your pool surface consistently clean with minimal effort. If you want a smarter way to maintain a pool without daily skimming, this is a strong modern solution. Click the link below for the best price.